Hey, welcome back. Thank God it's Friday. Thank God it's Friday. I'm back with another one. My name is Samara, and I'm back with another little mini try-on haul. And speaking of Friday, look what I got on. Look what I got on. A Friday jumpsuit. I just love it. I love the way it hugs my curves. Like it hugs the back. It's not like this. And it just goes in and hugs the back. Like, look at that bottom. Like, I love the way it fits. And I'm wearing a small in this. So I got this jumpsuit custom made from a vendor for myself. So yeah, and I got a size small because they run big. Super stretchy, long pants. And the zipper quality is pretty good. It's pretty good quality zipper. It doesn't snag or anything like that though. But you don't need to play with it though. Yeah. But yeah, I just pretty much got all the cast members. It's like in cartoon form of Friday. Kind of like the Martin and the Fresh Prince that I had. But this is for me. So yeah. And I'm trying to think what design I'm going to do for my next jumpsuit. Because I want to do another one. So, I loved it. I love this though. This is my best side, obviously. Yeah, it's giving wet waist too, because I'm like, it's small. And I ain't even holding it in or nothing. It's giving small, okay? Look. I went outside today. The humidity got to my hair. The seats all nappy. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. Alright, so that's it for this video, y'all. And as y'all can see, I kind of just paired it up with my blue jean jacket. Because, like, you know, if I go outside or whatever, I can wear it like this. Okay, I can wear it like this. Is all for this video. I really have to go, y'all. I got to go. Yeah. That's all for this video. Hope you like this mini try-on haul. Sorry it wasn't too long, but hey, y'all gotta send me some tips so I can get some things or whatever. Send me a tip. I can get some more of these jumpsuits. But anyway, yeah. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you made it, turn on that post notification so you know exactly when I drop a new video. And if you made it so at the end of this video, which most likely you did, drop a purple heart. Drop a purple heart. Yeah, y'all. So I'm keeping up my routine. Also, please refrain from sending me emails about my traffic on here. Honestly, it's not really a big of a deal. I'm not desperate to, you know, be monetized right now. I got a lot going on. I got other sources of income. So please refrain from that. Thank you very much. Because I will block you and put you on spam so you can be in the system as spam. All right. Okay. So reframe from that. It's YouTube. It's all YouTube. You know, that's just how it is. Some videos go viral, some don't. It is what it is. But I'm maintaining my routine. It's all good. Okay? All right. Don't worry. Stop sending me emails, okay? Because ain't nobody that desperate to be monetized, okay? All right, y'all. So that's all I wanted to say. I just want to throw that out there. So, see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye.